club uptown. The band was a-rockin' with no sign of stopping, and someone brought us all around. Things were getting crazy, I was dancing with the ladies, but I danced with the wrong one twice. Got what I deserved, sitting on the curb for honky-tonkin' with that big dude's wife. Ooh. Well, I got to work at 8, which is just a little late for a 4 to noon sweatshop shift. Had a good lie you could call an alibi, but the boss didn't give up. To lose your job's okay, but you start to miss the pay. When I went back, he just grinned. By the time I hit the door, he was on the floor, and you know I can't go back there again. I don't have a member card, but I'm working real hard in the Bridge Burners Union. Well, I've been paying dues, I got nothing to lose. Now I'm burning bridges just for fun. Can't stop losing, can't stop boozing. I'm gonna blow a fuse and I'm a bridge burning son of a gun. If everything goes as planned, I wanna be a journeyman in the Bridge Burners Union. JB, could you put in a good word for me? Get in here. Well, I don't have a member card, but I'm working real hard in the Bridge Burners Union. Well, I've been paying dues, I got nothing to lose. Now I'm burning bridges just for fun. Can't stop losing, can't stop boozing. I'm gonna blow a fuse and I'm a bridge burning son of a gun. If everything goes as planned, I wanna be a journeyman in the Bridge Burners Union.
Hey bartender, I'm in early tonight. Got a favor to ask of you, if I can have just a minute of your time. Well, I sure hate to bring another man to a situation of this kind, but I've got a heartache to hide. Well, I was sneaking around, oh, but that's all over for sure. My good gal never suspected a thing, but the other one wanted more. Yeah, she told me just a little bit a while ago, our little thing's through. I never meant to fall in love on the side. Now tell me, what am I gonna do? 'Cause I've got a heartache to hide. Take it home, 'cause it won't stay aside. Maybe we could keep it right over there between the whiskey and wine. But I've got a heartache to hide. Found the note or the photo I kept in my boot. You say she never called, not even once, when I was supposed to be here with you. Well, I never left even one clue around. No, nothing anyone could find.